Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Look who I'm with, the mini Frugal Chef. If you guys have been following the channel, you've seen lots of videos made by Sabrina. Oh my gosh, today she's making us this super moist, delicious chocolate cake with a buttercream frosting. Ah, Sabri. I talk too much. I don't let her talk. You know she talks. Before we do anything, if you would subscribe and turn on the notification button, we would really appreciate that. Yeah. Okay, let's go make. As always, we will give you all of these ingredients at the bottom of the video in the comment box in grants. So now Sabri's gonna add 1 3/4 cups of flour into her bowl. She's gonna add 3/4 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 3/4 cups of sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. All right, she's just gonna whisk everything together. We're gonna need a cup of buttermilk for this recipe, but we can't find buttermilk here in Bolivia. So Sabri's gonna show you how she makes her substitute buttermilk. She's adding a tablespoon of vinegar into this 1 cup measuring cup. And she's going to fill it to the rim with milk. Okay, this is gonna sit there. We're not gonna touch it anymore for about 5 minutes until it starts kind of curdling. We also need a cup of very strong brewed coffee. We're gonna make it in this mug and then we'll measure it out. That's strong coffee, guys. Perfect. All right, now the wet ingredients. We have 1/2 cup of oil, 2 eggs, they're at room temperature, guys, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a cup of that buttermilk we prepared. In case you're wondering, Sabrina does not have a tattoo. That's a note to not forget something from the for her mother's grocery list. So now she's gonna mix the dry ingredients with the wet. And now we're going to add the coffee. 1 cup. You notice that she didn't overbeat this batter. She just made sure everything is mixed in well. This is a very liquidy batter, guys. Don't worry about it. It comes out beautifully. We're going to be using a 9x13 cake mold today. Sabrina lined it with parchment paper and then she oiled it and put a little bit of flour in it, okay? This cake is gonna go into an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 176 centigrade, for about 40 minutes. All right, we'll see you when this is ready. 40 minutes later. Every oven is different, guys. We started checking it around 35 minutes. To make sure, you know, we didn't overcook it. We'd just put a toothpick in and the minute it came out clean, it was done. We're gonna wait for it to cool down so that we can frost it. All right, we're gonna make our frosting now. Sabrina has a cup of unsalted softened butter in that plate. She's gonna put it in the bowl for her mixer. She's gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. And we start beating.
It has to beat for a minimum of 5 minutes. Because we're gonna make it really fluffy.
All right, now Sabrina's gonna start adding powdered sugar, confectioner sugar to this. She doesn't measure it. She starts with minimum 1 cup and then she goes adding it little by little. If you're wondering why she's wearing oven mitts to touch the machine, very curiously, Sabrina gets shocked with all the electric machines in her house. Her mixer, her microwave, everything. She's got too much internal electricity. She's gonna add a pinch of salt.
You gotta go tasting your frosting so that you can see if it's sweet or not. Needs more sugar.
And that, my friends, is it. So easy. Thank you, Saudi. Okay, we're gonna unmold the cake. Da-da-da. We just put some foil on a cutting board.
We gotta peel the parchment paper.
Look at that. Wow. We're gonna finish cooling it completely and then we're gonna put the frosting on it. Look how moist that cake looks, guys. Look at that pretty cake. Oh, Sabrina. Oh, yummy. All right, we're gonna taste this now. ¿Te gusta? I'm dying here. You smell? Oh, that's why she's thin. And I'm not. Highly recommended cake. The cake is moist. It's very dark chocolate flavor. It's very, very, very good. Thank you, Sabri.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.